welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back in the swing of, filming and getting stuff done because I really miss it, and I'm glad to be able to put, filming and everything back in my usual vibe because, of course, fall is #1, but we're not going to talk about that. But I'm just so glad that I'm able to get back in the swing of filming and everything. But I'm super excited for the content that I have for this channel and also my second channel, which is A Day with D. I am vlogging, so make sure you guys subscribe to both channels. But I'm going to be using some of my I'm going to be using a little bit of my LeBright's palette today, which looks like this. If you guys haven't forgot what my palette looks like, it'll be linked below. So how have y'all been doing? I've been doing alright. Been looking at crazy stuff. How are y'all? I've been doing okay. I'm good. As you guys can see, I'm going to go in with the LeBright's palette from Raquel Cosmetics, which is $10. I'm going to be going in. I'm going to do like a bright, colorful look, but I just don't know what colors I'm going to use as my crease color. This is one of those looks where you just having a brain fart. Okay, so I'm gonna have the palette up on the screen. So I'm gonna take this bright pink here. You see how bright and pigmented that pink is? I'm gonna apply it to the outer V. And by the way, my eyes are already primed. I use the concealer by LA Colors. Okay guys, I just want to say my vlog channel right now, you guys, I use the concealer by LA Colors. Okay guys, I just want to say my vlog channel right now, you guys, I want to talk about that. I love it. I love how I'm actually going and doing vlogs. Like the momentum is there. Like I love it. I am real on that channel, like real as can be. Even on this channel I'm real, but real on that channel, like nothing's changing. So I'm going to take this orange color here and I'm going to apply it right next to, actually I'm going to clean up this brush, and then I'm going to take that orange shade I'm going to apply it. But yes, I've been blogging nonstop. I think I want to do like really creative what I'm trying to say, really creative fall videos on that channel too. So please go check out A Day with D, because you guys, if you're not subscribed, if you subscribe here, you should be subscribed there too if you love content outside of the tube. Like guys, it is everything. To be on there and just tell you guys how my day is and show you what you guys like, what I like to do outside of the beauty world, and just express myself a lot more. So let me know in the comments below what kind of content you want more on this channel and on that channel. I know you guys like when I review makeup, but I know one of the comments said something about you should do like fashion videos. I like fashion, don't get me wrong, I do like fashion, but what's in, like what it's in, I need to really know like what is in, because I started this channel off with beauty. I love the content that I do give with beauty, but I definitely want to try different things, but it's just, will I find the love and passion for that? So I'm going to go in with this green, this dark green. I love this dark green of my palette. I think I need another brush. I need another brush. There's some new makeup products out there you guys want me to do a product review on. Because I love a good base products to review. I love giving you guys honest opinions on product reviews, so I just want to know, like, in the comments, if you guys can, what are some good new products you guys want me to test out and review, because I wouldn't mind. I'm taking this Profusion blending brush, by the way. It's a really good brush. Look how pigmented my green is, like on the lid. Like, so this is my Holy Grail concealer, the concealer by LA Colors, you guys. When I say this thing gives me life, it gives me life. I like to take the concealer onto the back of the hand. So I think it's not my favorite anymore, like applying it with the applicator. I don't think it's my favorite type of technique anymore. And I'm going to take this flat brush, which is from BS Mall Cosmetics. Green from my palette, and then we just see how it goes from there. It's like a chunky green. It's so pretty. Look at that. Orange. I want to take a good color. I want to take some of this orange, and I'm going to apply some of this orange next to it. Woo. And I think what I'm gonna do is add some more of this green that I did. Okay, so far this is the look. This is what eyeliner. I'm gonna take the Hayden eyeliner in blue, and then of course I'm gonna come on back with some lashes. So that is it for today's video. After I apply these lashes, love my lashes, that'll be linked below in the description box below, you guys. Check them out. And that's the complete look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also let me know what other looks you want to see on product reviews. Alright guys, this is the complete look. I gotta go and I'll catch you soon. Bye.